थैंक यू। अभी तक तो अच्छा ही रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा है एंड हमारी सारी टीम बहुत खुश है इस रिस्पॉन्स से। मेरी बेटियां आई हैं मेरे साथ। अरे फैटी, कब जैसे। तो ये मेरी दो बेटियां हैं फिल्म के अंदर और हमें बड़ी खुशी है कि लोगों को ट्रेलर पसंद आ रहा है। वी आर वेरी हैप्पी।
मामी फिल्म फेस्टिवल में पाकिस्तानी फिल्म दिखाई जाने वाली थी, अब नहीं दिखाई जा रही है और ए दिल मुश्किल में फवाद खान है, इसलिए रिलीज होने में मुश्किलें आ रही है। आपकी राय क्या है?
वो आप मामी के लोगों से पूछिए।
मामी फिल्म फेस्टिवल में पाकिस्तानी फिल्म दिखाई जाने वाली थी, अब नहीं दिखाई जा रही है और ए दिल मुश्किल में फवाद खान है, इसलिए रिलीज होने में मुश्किलें आ रही है। आपकी राय क्या है?
वो आप मामी के लोगों से पूछिए। No, not necessary. I think that people will see the films and they will realize for themselves. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Ritesh, your collaborator Rajat Ahmed Hofer right now is setting Air Dil Hai Mushkil.
Yes.
Air Dil Hai Mushkil release. So what is your view on this entire Ahmed Hofer? You have worked with him.
Yes. So what do I do with it?
Do you have any view on the Air Dil Hai?
No, that's his stand. So whatever he wants to do is fine. But I personally think that India comes first, and there's no compromise when it comes to your nation. Of course, you have to stand by the nation. But when it comes to a movie, you have to also see a person has done a 10-minute role. There are so many Indian actors that have already put their blood and sweat into it. So I think they should think about it. Thank you.
पाकिस्तान में कई काफ़ी हिंदी फिल्में रिलीज नहीं होती हैं, अब हिंदी सीरियल्स भी बंद कर दी है, इस पर आप क्या प्रतिक्रिया देना चाहेंगे?
I don't care उधर क्या चल रहा है क्या नहीं चल रहा है, मुझे अपने देश की पड़ी हुई है।
Actually, the both of you, there is a lot of controversy going on around with Air Dil Hai Mushkil. The makers, in fact, went and met, not the makers of Air Dil Hai Mushkil, went and met the Home Minister also today. Your views on this entire controversy?
I mean, it's very, very unfortunate that a film gets targeted like that and a filmmaker gets targeted like that because he didn't do anything wrong. He hasn't broken the law. I mean, that is the law. The law is fine. Visas have been granted by the government. It's legal for people to work here. And he shot the film at a time when, the situation was pleasant. And today the film's at release and he's being bullied and it's not fair. Because the government has put out a statement saying that they will continue to give visas. So what's the problem then? Why should we go against the government? And the people that are going against what the government is saying should be taken to task.
Yeah, I do think that, like you said, this brouhaha, the only people it affects are Indians. So I find that, why can't people see that? Because at the end of the day, like Karan himself pointed out, there were 300 Indians who worked on that film and gave their sweat and, all that love that goes into making a film.
And they lose money, the industry loses money. I mean, who's gaining from this? And it's not even like it's across the board. Business is going on, cricket is going on. So why the film industry always? It's always the film industry. And I mean, the press needs to say that as well now.
Yeah, definitely. I think if, this politics of hatred is not used to target the industry because we are like soft targets.
मामी फिल्म फेस्टिवल में पाकिस्तानी फिल्म दिखाई जा रही है, क्लासिक फिल्म जिसे अब नहीं दिखाया जा रहा है और बहुत चर्चा हो रही है एयर दिल है मुश्किल को लेकर कि उसमें फवाद खान है, पाकिस्तानी एक्टर्स की फिल्में नहीं दिखानी चाहिए। तो आपकी राय क्या है?
देखिए, इसमें मेरी राय बहुत ही साफ़ है कि ये निर्णय जो है ये उन लोगों का निर्णय है जो फिल्म देखते हैं। मुझे लगता है कि ये एक कलाकार का और ऑडियंस का एक रिश्ता होता है। उसके रिश्ते के बीच में किसी को नहीं आना चाहिए। जिसकी फिल्में देखनी वो देखेगा, जिसको फिल्में नहीं देखनी वो नहीं देखेगा। और जो भी हम करें, देखिए देश जो है, कई बार सवाल उठाया जाता है कि देश हमारा बहुत महान है, ज़रूर है, और हमारे देश की जो संस्कृति है वो भी महान है। तो देश का जो हित है वो तो सबसे ऊपर होना ही चाहिए, उसमें कोई विवाद की बात ही नहीं है। जो भी चीज़ देश को कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ करती है वो तो बिल्कुल नहीं की जानी चाहिए, लेकिन साथ साथ देश की संस्कृति भी मायने रखती है और उसमें भी एक तहजीब होती है, उसमें एक हल्कापन नहीं होना चाहिए। हम जो भी करें, जो भी निर्णय लें हम लोग, उसमें हल्कापन नहीं होना चाहिए। और निर्णय कौन सी फिल्म देखी जानी चाहिए और कौन सी नहीं, ये ऑडियंस के ऊपर छोड़ दिया जाना चाहिए।
Any views on Air India?
I have many views. My concern is if I voice those views, I'm going to have people come and try to burn my house down. Really, that's like the 45th worst thing that could possibly happen. I mean, it's very far down my list of things that I would like to see happen. I don't want people to come to my house and burn it down. I don't want people to threaten me. I don't want people to come and beat me up. All of these are things I want to avoid. So my opinions I will keep to myself.
Now on Air India.
Please, we are hoping that Ae Dil Hai Mushkil releases smoothly. We are hoping everybody watches the film. It's lovely. It's been made with a lot of love. I love the film. There's nothing else to say. I'm a big supporter of the film. I understand the controversy that's happened. It's very simple. The sentiments are a bit different now than they were 1 year ago when the film was being made. And everything that has to be said about it, I think Karan and Ranveer and all have conveyed that. So for now, I feel that all of us together should just support the film and hope that it releases successfully. I mean, of course he's tensed. And of course he's, everybody involved with the film is a little bit worried about how things are unfolding. But I think he's also hoping for the best and hoping that eventually there's some kind of central body that decides these things that will take the call on the situation. मुझे तो उनकी जोड़ी बहुत अच्छी लग रही है.
Yeah.
What do you feel about it?
Come now, please.
What do you feel? We want to know all your feelings.
I feel that मुझे लगता है कि एक फिल्म की रिलीज से अगर टेररिज्म ख़त्म हो जाता तो हम बहुत सारी फिल्में पहले भी बैन कर सकते थे. There is a problem, it's terrorism. Let's address that. Shit, so sorry. अगर हम एक फ़िल्म के रिलीज़ से इतना घबराएंगे तो क्या हम ये कह रहे हैं कि हमें अपनी सरकार में विश्वास नहीं? क्या हमारी सरकार इस इशू को हैंडल करने के काबिल नहीं कि हम फिल्मों को स्केपगोट बनाएंगे या ब्लेम करेंगे? अगर फिल्म बैन होती है तो हमारी इकोनॉमी को नुकसान है. No, I'm saying if we are going to keep questioning a film, then what are we really in a position to question our government? Because the government is very capable. They did the surgical strike. They did what they had to. They sent out a clear message. So why focus on a film? What is a film in the larger scheme of things? हाँ जी, प्लीज़ इस मुद्दे पे तभी सवाल पूछें अगर आपको लगता है कि कुछ नई बात आने वाली है, वरना बोर मत करिए.